As you can see, G-Class G63 2014 model, upgrade 2025-24 model. Interior complete, as you can see, complete the new seat and the dashboard complete, the gear console, steering wheel and gear remote from down to make off with steering wheel and the LED long screen. Complete, as you can see, the door panel, everything. G-Wagon, white color, full white. Brown color. Brabus G500 to upgrade 2024 G800. Land Cruiser G-Class G63 2013 upgrade 2024 63. As you can see, gray color. Brabus 2005 upgrade 2024. As you can see, complete the interior. Welcome to Car Edition Auto Accessories.